XHLD stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. 10 holdings is absolutely cooking. You know, 55% up is quite sick. And all I still want to say is that it was called out beforehand by me. Who am I? I mean, I've done the most videos ever from this type of character in the last 5 years. I've done 38,000 videos, and all the proof is documented. And all the wins right now, you know, thousands of correct predictions, thousands and thousands, tens of thousands. XHLD should be here. Yeah, here's the proof. The Discord.
Like the miserable party just
this was made like a day ago, so 22nd of March. Since then, it's been just cooking. All I also want to say is that, yeah, if the price pulls down a tad bit lower, yet again, this is still going to be something that I'm going to look to double down on. So this is going to be copied here. So there you go. And yeah, it's quite sick. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.